guys. Thanks once again for joining. And for those just joining, well, this is an asteroid that I have in the photo underneath Venus. And I've caught a couple of them during the month of January and February. For those just joining that are curious, you can go and see them under the playlist Asteroids. Take a look at this under Venus, an asteroid or comet. No, it's not a moon. How do we know? Well, just look at it and we'll get in close and we'll see in detail that it's not a moon and it is an unknown celestial object, both over top and underneath Venus, guys. Wait till you see this. So yeah, zooming up on stars, and this is what I found. After post-processing my astrophotography photo, I saw this asteroid in the photo. It was very, very bright in the sky. I did think it was a star, so I said, I'll take a look. This was not directly beside Venus. It was more over my head, up aimed towards the Milky Way. And we could see these little celestial objects like this that pop up from time to time because they're not there anymore. I go back and I see it. Some of them do remain in the same proximities, but most of them are flybys, obviously, if they're asteroids or comets, or in the orbits of whatever other object, planet, or star that they are in. And we're going to go see in great detail this one too, up close, the objects that are on the surface of these unknown celestial objects that I find. And at the same time, we'll go see over top and underneath of Venus. I found in the same photo an asteroid or comet over top and underneath these two small celestial spheres. At the same time, NASA declared that there were meteorites or asteroids that were coming into Earth's atmosphere, or close to Earth's atmosphere, if you want, between the moon, I believe that they said. So I'm analyzing the photo more and more, and I'm looking at it, and I'm zooming up, and I'm saying, well, it doesn't really look like stars around it now. It sort of looks like bars, but these sort of, I don't know, just lines. It's not usually what I do get with a star, unless I would have shaken the camera, but then the asteroid would have been very blurry, and it's not. Maybe it's the reflection, but it looks very triangular, these three objects, and I thought they were stars. So here, guys, take a look at them. We'll take a look at them a bit closer now so that we can get an idea what they look like, as I usually do. And then we're going to go see Venus with the asteroid or comet over top and underneath. Someone this week asked me if I was still doing unknown planets. Hey, I'm not going to change nothing, guys. Unknown planets galore. Hundreds of them. They're still out there. And I have another handful here that I have never even seen myself or even processed the photos. Don't worry, guys. I'll get some unknown planets up. Variety. I'll go through all the process. It's just that overwhelming what I found on the moon, but I'll get to it.
Now here is an even clearer one, a different one, in the same photo that I just got, the one that I just showed you. And we're going to go zoom up on this one to see what it looks like. It looks very similar to the other one. I'd say almost that it's the same piece or a piece of the other asteroid that we just saw, or comet. Let's go take a look at it. There's some towering objects, mountainous objects on the surface of this one. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful view. See the sun reflecting on objects that are on the surface of the asteroid or comet and reflecting back to us. Just beautiful. Nice big chunk out there, guys. Unknown, maybe not even named, maybe it is. Just floating around. and it has a little friend, pretty big. It's right beside it, floating around with it out there. Just sitting there, both of them. See? Just in this photo out in space. It was a dark photo of stars. I was trying to bring out the stars, and an asteroid came out. The months of January and February, I have to admit, it's the first time I've ever caught asteroids in photos. There must have been some kind of a wave coming in from the Kuiper Belt. I don't know enough about it. I'll have to look it up, but I don't have to. I'm getting what's going by in the sky. There's Venus. There she is. And she's pulling along some haul with her. She's hauling along some celestial objects. Or, in the photo, what I caught is some celestial objects that actually went by Venus. I'm not at a professional level to answer that. I'm not at any level with asteroids. I've been researching them for 2 months now myself for the first time. Of course, I've looked into them, and when they go by, yes, I look into them. I know their basic features, etc., and what they consist of, the minerals. It consists of a seed to all life, an asteroid. It's a lot to do in research with NASA now, even. But I'm just finding these things in photos, and they're popping up pretty frequently these months of January and February, and I have to share these with everyone, and maybe somebody that usually warns the danger will see these videos and maybe know what to do. I mean, what do you want me to say? I mean, I'm not going to not show people the celestial objects that I'm getting. This is a beautiful photo of Venus that I took. So, yeah, let's go see that photo now with the asteroid over and under Venus.
So this is the object I found under Venus that was very, very bright, emitting a lot of light, and I thought it was a star. And I said, what the heck star is that? I said, maybe it's in the alignment. Because often I will find these stars and go look on NASA website or Skies at Night, whatever, any sky site that will tell you what planet is beside the moon, etc., or Venus, and there wasn't any at that time. Now, this is the asteroid or comet that was over Venus. Now, you see, I really don't believe it's a moon. Even if it was blurry, I still don't think it would be a moon. It doesn't look spherical at all. It looks very jagged, several pieces from it. And yeah, just a view, guys, of that night that I caught the asteroids that week, sorry. Well, this is what was over and under Venus. So I'm starting looking at a lot of my photos now, and this is what I'm finding. So this is the photo we just saw over top and underneath of Venus. Underneath was that asteroid or comet, and up here, hang on, bear with me. Here we go, friends. This is the comet or asteroid that is over top of Venus at the same time, simultaneously. Imagine. And again, during the alignment with Mars. So if you want to know the exact date, it's the last time Mars was aligned with the moon and Venus. So this is absolutely incredible. This is the smaller one that was over top. And there are many more out there, guys. I'm finding them in my photos. So thanks a lot for watching this video. I appreciate it. And here's some nice viewing of Venus now in my astrophotography. Take a look, guys.